Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading the Going to Bed book by Sandra Boynton. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, today I'll be reading the Going to Bed book. The sun has set not long ago. Now everybody goes below to take a bath in one big tub with soap all over. Scrub, scrub, scrub. They hang their towels on the wall in fine pajamas, big and small. With some on top and some beneath, they brush and brush and brush their teeth. And when the moon is on the rise, they all go up to exercise. And down once more, but not so fast. They're on their way to bed at last. The day is done, they say goodnight, and somebody turns off the light. The moon is high, the sea is deep. They rock and rock to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed the Going to Bed book by Sandra Boynton, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.